Sunil from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. So, tiled roof, as you can see, a lot of lichen. It's most likely the south side of the property. That's why we've got most of the lichen on here. It's pretty dirty for the most part, as you can see. So what we're going to do here is we're going to start this process off with a chemical treatment, so otherwise known as a mold treatment, and we'll start the washing of the tiles that way, and I'll just show you here. So we're going to start soft washing the roof, okay? So this is the chemical and this is the actual mold treatment that we're putting on the roof as well. Now, I think I might have mentioned this in another video, perhaps on a colour bond roof. It's well worth getting this mold treatment. The regrowth time for the lichen will significantly be reduced. When you pressure clean a roof and you don't give it a mold treatment, then you're actually just removing the main area of the lichen, but you're not really killing the spores. And that's what we're interested in here. So that's exactly what's happening here. It's really not that much more money to do a mold treatment. And what happens is it also makes it easier to clean the roof as well once we do this, because it starts to and delivers better results, because it actually lifts the lichen off the tile, because it kills the root systems. Okay everyone, as you can see here, I'm just showing you this so you can see it. So you can see how all the lichen has gone white, and then there's textures of brown, and this is exactly what we're looking to see. It shows straight away that the lichen's begun to die, and it's actually the spores are being killed, and so that's what you're seeing here. Hey everyone, so these are the results. Have a look at that. Fantastic. Absolute gold. Also cleaned down a fiberglass roofing for them as well, so that's come up very good. We also cleaned down the solar panels, the two solar panels here. That what you see from this perspective is really different to what we see from down below. So when you look at the profile of the roof down below, you can't see any of this detail. So because this is a painted roof, there are patches of paint that have come off, and that's mostly where the lichen was really heavy, because it grows into the paint and actually grows into the tile. So I hope that's helpful. It goes to show the power of soft washing. What we call a chemical wash or a mold treatment is what we put on this roof prior to washing it down, and that's really why we've been able to get the results that we have. If you just used pressure, you would still see a lot of the root marks from the lichen, and yeah, just another level of quality, plus the fact that the mold treatment prevents the lichen from growing back so fast. So I hope that's helpful to you, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.